Hi, Iqbal. What is your feedback from REBOOZ today?
So for today, just a quick summary of how the event went down. We had more or less 2 to 3 runnings before REBOOZ, and it was together with me and with my fellow friend, who is also a very renowned racer from abroad. And we could only do probably at max 256. I think even in the best circumstance, maybe 255s. But we had our treatment done in the pits just now, and although it was relatively short, but it was significant. I could already tell there was much more trust. Even the pickup is not just on the low end, but also it expands throughout the RPM range. So it's not just at the very bottom at the slow corners, but even towards the braking zone, the top speed, I can definitely feel that I'm going much faster than before. With that being said, I was able to get a much better time from a 256 to a 252. Even I myself was quite surprised at how much I can gain from this car's performance with just the REBOOZ treatment.
And then that is only 10 minutes.
Exactly. It was only a very concise, very short treatment, but 10 minutes is enough. It's able to let me shave 3 to 4 seconds of lap time. So I couldn't have imagined if I get the full treatment, maybe I could have got into the 249s, 248s, who knows?
Yeah, so that is our target for next session. So we have this rally sprint coming up. So we are hoping that we can do it and see at Sungai Besi Air Base. Let's have a look and what we can do together with Iqbal. Okay, and we take it from there.
Right, hopefully all the best, not just for the prospect of this car, but also for prospect of REBOOZ in Motorsports.
Alright, let's the journey begin from now.
First time I got it past 4,500 RPM.
Okay, this is a Mercedes-Benz S320L W140. Year is 1994, and we just finished with REBOOZ. And now we're gonna go for a quick test drive with Hafiz.
The car feels much smoother, even after dah sebulan lebih tersidai ni kan. The engine definitely much smoother.
Yeah.
You can feel it's more responsive. Minyak. So, definitely improvement lah. Kalau tak ada you can tell man accelerating. It used to vibrate a bit even after full service apa semua.
Okay.
Now you can really feel the difference.
Okay. What about the car idle sekarang? Okay, how can we feel now? See the look at that. PM almost 5.
Yeah, it's idling much lower.
Mm.
It used to be idling about 700 plus. Now it's just barely above 500. And then
And no shake.
yes, it's more stable.
Mm.
Definitely. Even if you put in the car in drive, and
Drive, no shake.
I think you just feel slide
Yeah.
and a pull on the gearbox.
Yeah.
But that's somewhat lah. Okay, let's go. Hmm. Can feel it looks like it has more power, more torque. the pull is there lah. You can feel the shaft.
Okay, now we go for spirited driving bit.
Let's go up the highway,
Yeah.
come down. See.
So after this, we're gonna see how responsive the gear change is. Oh, got a nice LC there.
Oh. Okay, let's see what that. First time I got it past 4,500 RPM.
And effortless.
Effortless. So after first round of REBOOZ, definitely can feel a difference in power. The old girl has never felt this smooth before. Good job, REBOOZ.
Thank you. And
No, that's
a disclaimer, he has also done with 2 other cars juga.
Yep.
And a very happy customer.
My third car here.
This is his third car.
I'm going to do a repeat for my other 2 cars as well.
Okay.
In a year.
Alright. Okay. See you soon.
Alright.
Alright, thank you.
When I contacted you this morning, I decided only one car, my Mercedes.
Yeah.
Because of the performance, smoothness of the car, everything. So I decided to go for
The
my
second one.
Fantastic. What I can say is, yeah, very good. Yeah.